Your safety on the road is top priority. That's why this manufacturer takes pride in being one of the leaders in the brake pad technology. Join us on a tour of ASIMCO's brake pads factory and witness firsthand the precision and care that goes into their products. Hi everyone, this is Tatiana from VTrust and welcome to Factory Asia, where we assess and showcase the best factories in Asia. Today we're visiting production base of ASIMCO, professional manufacturer of brake pads. ASIMCO is a leading automotive manufacturer with a factory in Zhuhai, Guangdong province. Their factory spans over an area of 256,000 square meters, and operations are supported by over 1,100 employees, including 130 R&D engineers. ASIMCO is a globally renowned brand that has earned recognition and acceptance from consumers in over 80 countries worldwide. With an extensive product line that covers over 3,000 types of brake pads and 800 types of drum brake shoes, their brand's extensive product range covers most of the car series in Europe, the United States, Japan, Korea, and China, catering to different needs and preferences of car owners for capacity and performance. ASIMCO's annual brake pad sales exceed $30 million, a testament to their focus on quality and reliability. Their brake pads have 6 key features that ensure superior performance and safety. Available for all vehicle models, cover over 95% of the existing range, and their team rapidly develops new items to keep up with changing market. Superior braking force. Manufacturer uses imported high-quality raw materials to provide greater friction performance. Individually customized noise reduction. Their brake pads are customized to isolate vibrations and reduce noise during braking. Maximum protection. ASIMCO's brake pads maximize service life and help to keep your vehicle running smoothly and safely. Comprehensive product range, compatible with all kinds of cars at different road conditions. Optimum performance. Their brake pads provide superior stopping power and peak performance capabilities. Now it's time to visit their workshops and learn more about their manufacturing process and how they maintain consistent quality. ASIMCO's R&D department designs and creates prototypes to meet customer standards for durability and functionality. Their factory has a complete physical and chemical laboratory for materials, along with advanced testing equipment, such as Link 3000, Link 3900, and Link 380S, and state-of-the-art raw material testing equipment, including thermogravimetric analyzer, electron microanalyzer, laser particle size analyzer, metallographic microscope, 10,000 times electron microscope, XRD spectrum analyzer, and Leica 3D microscope. The R&D team conducts rigorous testing of friction materials through bench tests and specific road tests, including the challenging terrain of Huangshan Mountain, to ensure comprehensive inspection and evaluation of different friction materials. ASIMCO's brake pads have received various certifications, including EMARC, AMECA, NSF, and China CCC certification. With over 95% coverage of high-performance brake pads for market models, ASIMCO's independent research and development team delivers stable and reliable quality that is widely recognized in the international market. Once the prototypes of brake pads are verified, they're put into production. As the first step, the R&D team conducts the rigorous screening process on the raw materials, carefully selecting key imported materials and relying on the industry's top 3 suppliers for conventional materials. ASIMCO applies its NAO ceramic formula, which is widely used in China, America, Europe, and Africa. It uses high-end ceramic to provide a comfortable and noise-free driving experience, making it a favorite among car owners. This formula is versatile enough to meet the needs of different car models and is highly competitive in the aftermarket. With its affordability and reliability, ASIMCO's NAO ceramic formula meets the company's high-quality standards while satisfying the needs of car owners. ASIMCO's factory boasts an extensive manufacturing capacity, including a mold production workshop, steel bag stamping workshop, accessory stamping workshop, and brake pad production workshop. With this full line of manufacturing capabilities, ASIMCO is able to produce up to 15 million sets of disc brake pads and 3.6 million sets of drum brake shoes annually, as well as over 100 million hardware accessories each year. To ensure quality control, all finished products undergo a thorough inspection prior shipment. The samples are selected at random in accordance with the AQL and must successfully pass 8 rigorous tests. These tests include compressibility, shear strength, dimensional accuracy, SAE J661 test, strength, salt spray, lifting force, and drag tests. These comprehensive tests ensure that the products meet the highest standards of performance and reliability before being shipped to customers all over the world. As our tour of ASIMCO's production base comes to a close, we have identified several key strengths of the company. To begin with, ASIMCO brake pad products have obtained certifications such as EMAC, AMECA, and CCC, which enable them to meet diverse requirements in different countries. Additionally, personalized ceramic formulas and imported raw materials are used in ASIMCO's brake pads, which cover over 95% of models. Lastly, ASIMCO has been a prominent player in the brake pad industry for over 2 decades, with its brand being recognized in over 80 countries, making it a clear and palpable advantage. To conclude our review, we rate ASIMCO 5 stars out of 5 for their strong performance. If you're interested in learning more about cooperation, please contact their English-speaking staff via these contact details. Thanks for joining me today. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. We strive to showcase more quality suppliers in Asia to importers all over the world. See you next time!